Here at Kosei Couture, we like to keep things simple for excited and very possibly overwhelmed couples. In addition to the full event planning services Kosei Couture offers, we decided to open the Couture House to assist couples who really just needed those beginning planning steps of finding their perfect site and vendor team. We ask that you complete a simple questionnaire which tells us on a scale from 1 to 3 what is most important to you, and also lets us know, through keywords, what you and your sweetheart envision for your special day. Once we receive the questionnaire completed by you and your fiancé, we put together a handful of venues at which we think is a good fit for your wedding. We also include information about different caterers, dessert options, party rentals, photographers, and more, depending on what you need help finding. We then invite you into our office for a luxurious 2-hour consultation as we wine and dine you and we go over your options. Since we are adamant about helping you plan a fabulous event while staying within your budget, we go over vendor pricing as well, so there are no questions or misleading information about costs. After your 2-hour consultation, we send you on your way with your very own personalized package from the Couture House. You leave knowing that you've just received the custom vendor referrals that will help you make your event all that you have dreamed it to be. At the Couture House, we only recommend quality vendors and venues. We accept no commissions, ensuring you the highest level of objective service. Throw your troubles away at the door and stress no more. Come to the Couture House and let us send you on your way to your perfect day.